In this video, we are going to import the Excel data into Tally. For this, we have to first create some ledgers in the Tally file. We will create some ledgers which we have to import. Then we will first export the ledgers from Tally to Excel file, and then we'll import the vouchers having those ledgers into Tally. First go to display list of accounts, then press Ctrl E. Now you have to export all the ledgers in the HTML format. Now open the Excel file given in the description below and click Import. A dialog box will open and click on Get Ledger. Browse to the folder where Tally is installed. Select the file exported from Tally, that is the master.htm. Now you can see that all the ledgers are imported. These are all the ledgers that are imported from Tally. Now copy the data from Excel file to the converter. Now you have to insert ledgers. Click on Insert and select the ledgers. You can also copy and paste the ledgers, but the ledger name should match exactly with the Tally ledgers. We will do the same with the credit ledger account. Now we have almost finished one sheet in which there are several cash sales items. You will see that all these sales will be imported into Tally. Click on Generate XML button to generate XML file. The generated XML file will be saved in the folder where Excel to Tally file is located. See, this file is now saved. Press OK. Now copy the generated file from the Excel to Tally folder to your Tally folder. Now you have to import the data in Tally file. Go to Gateway of Tally, Import of Data and Vouchers. Type the file name with XML extension. Now your data will be imported in the Tally company. You can see that all the data which we have written on the Excel file is now imported into Tally. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe.